Hello everyone, this is my juicer I bought from Shopee and this is the fruits that we're going to
Blend.
make for juice.
Blend.
Yeah, so blend this one. This is ice and we tried this already and the result is we have this
How is sport in there?
yeah, amount of juice from the fruit.
Mountain juice.
Yeah, but we will put it here
Oh! Can I try?
and put some ice.
Can I try?
We need to practice, eating fruits and drinking fruit juice for our health. Just want to share to you the benefits of these fruits. This one is pineapple and this is good for digestion
What?
and also vitamin C.
Pineapples.
It's also anti-cancer yeah, and anti-tubule, okay? This one also is pipino.
Pee-pee.
This is good for our skin.
For you?
If you want to be more sexy and beautiful like my wife and my children here, you can consume pipino. And we have also,
Cucumber.
yeah, cucumber. And
Pee-pee melon.
what you call this one?
Watermelon.
Watermelon, okay? Watermelon.
Watermelon. Watermelon.
Okay,
Watermelon.
well,
Melon. I need a
try again.
watermelon. It's like bottle of water. It's like It's a milkshake. It smells weird.
Please off the camera.